Hi, Stefan the BMW DIY guy. I have an incredibly simple but really cool project for you today. It's going to take longer to explain this project than it is to do it, but I wanted to show it to you and what a great solution this is. So I'm going to be installing the frosted light tracks from AmbientModz into both front doors of my BMW F32. Now, if you have a pre-LCI model like I do, you probably think that those lighted door tracks are too dim, and they are. And if you look at some of the new LCI models, they're significantly brighter, maybe even twice as bright as the pre-LCI model. So I think BMW realized that they were just a little too dark, even with the brightness turned all the way up in your controls. So there's a lot of different ideas, tearing them out, putting in different pieces, buying the LCI pieces and putting them in, which I will freely admit I very seriously considered doing, and I had the parts all laid out that I needed to do. And then I found AmbientModz. They make a very simple frosted frosted plastic track that you slide into place, and it amplifies the light. It makes it glow more in a more diffuse fashion, and it really stands out. And it's a very simple, very elegant, it's so simple it's elegant solution from Alex of AmbientModz. So I'm really excited to show you this. Let's get out to the car and do it. Like I said, it takes longer to explain it than it actually does to do it. All right, so I'm gonna show on the driver's side door. When you look at the track, you'll notice that one side is higher than the other. So that high side goes in on the door edge side. You want the low side facing out on your side, right? So high side in, low side out. And with the F32s, you've got this big, huge curve right here in your light, because your light strip goes from about here to about here in your door, right? So what you want to do is you want to take the strip and fit it in short of the curve, right? So fit that back edge in. So you get this back edge in and then slide it into place down the curve. So now it's all the way in to that curve. You can take it and just fit it back behind this trim piece, and you can feel that taller edge kind of digging back behind the trim, right? Or the little bit of the plastic. So you just fit it the rest of the way up, and I'm just gently pressing it in with my fingers. You don't need any tools. Nice and easy. Because the other thing I don't want to do is I don't want to jam it too far into the door, right? Because what you're really looking for this to do is get an ambient glow. So when your lights are on, because the problem with this design, with the BMW design, is that the lights are up in here and they shine straight down, right? So if they're dim, they're really hard to see. And then if you've got black interior, they're even harder to see. So while I really like the amber color, and I always keep my lights set to the BMW amber, not that sport white, right? But it makes these really hard to see, which is why BMW redesigned when they did the LCIs, they redesigned these a little bit. They changed the light tracks. They changed the emitter that's back here in the door. And I really like this solution. So I was going to take some serious time, tear all my door cards apart, buy all the LCI components for the light tracks and the emitters and put it all in. And it's a little expensive for what it is. And that's a lot of work. So I really seriously thought about doing it, and then I found AmbientModz, and these guys are great. I mean, we just did one of these in about 10 seconds. I'm taking 10 times the amount of time to explain it than it is to do it, right? Really elegant, really simple solution. So as you put this in here, you don't want to smash it back into the door. Don't jam it way, way back, because what you want this to do is to sit right here, and so when the lights are on, it's going to glow, right? Because you're looking for these, for the frosted plastic to glow. And if you jam it too far in, so if you jam this exposed edge too far in, then you're not going to be able to see it. Now, on the driver's side, obviously, you're not going to see it as well, because when you look across at the passenger door, you're going to see that one better. Just same thing, a passenger on the other side, the way these are designed, the way the doors are designed. So when you sit in your driver's side, it may not seem quite as bright because you don't have the right angle on it, because you're going to be looking at it from a down angle. But all in all, you can see how simple this is. This is such an elegant, simple solution to what was a kind of a poor design from BMW. It was neat to have the lights, but they didn't do them all that well. This is a fantastic solution from AmbientModz that takes you 10 seconds, 15 seconds to install. So definitely take a look at this. All right, so you've got a perfectly black screen because I'm sitting out here in the car with very little ambient light other than my halos here in the garage. Let me click on my running lights. Here we are. We are looking at the passenger side door, because from the driver's seat it's much brighter to look across and look at the other side, right? So as you can see, there's a lot more light shown now. It looks like a light track now instead of light just sort of lighting up the door handle and the ledge, you know, the armrest a little bit. There's actually that bright track now. So it definitely makes a really, really big difference. So it's a little difficult to show, candidly, but to the eye, it looks really good. I can see the armrest now. I can see the door handle much more clearly sitting here in the driver's seat. The driver's side is much brighter as well, down onto the door handle. It really does a good job in making that line show up much more brightly. So I really approve. This is a really fantastic and simple and easy thing to be able to do to your car. All right, so you can see both doors are done, and the difference really is just amazing. They really are amazing. This is one of those bang for the buck upgrades that I wish I'd found them, you know, 2 years ago. I wish I'd found AmbientModz like 2 years ago and could have done this, because I've been always kind of bothered on how little light I got out of my doors, especially after I got an LCI model as a dealership loaner once, and I realized how bright the lights were in the doors. So what a cool solution, what an easy thing to do. Make sure to check the link in the description of the video so you can see where you can buy these directly from AmbientModz. Alex, the owner, is a great guy, and I really like supporting him and his little business that he's growing with he and his wife. So I would suggest you support them too. Thank you for the partnership for AmbientModz, and I'm really going to enjoy having his product in my car. If you like what you've seen today, please click subscribe. Click the little alarm button next to it so you get notifications from my upcoming videos. I've got a lot of projects on my bench I'm really excited to share with you, just like this one, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.